In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use DeepSeek R1 for free. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to DeepSeekSR1.com. From here, this is where you can start your journey in using DeepSeek R1. Now, click on Start Now. After that, go to Get Started, click right here, and then here is where you can log in or create an account. If you already have an account, simply log into that account. Type in a password, then log in. Now, the beauty of this is DeepSeek R1 is completely for free. So you have full access from the get-go, no plans and no money paywalls. Now, how can you use it? Simple. You can type in and ask anything right here. For example, write an essay regarding the plague. And once you enter, the AI will automatically analyze your question and put in a bunch of different data from other sites right here to explain and help you with your inquiry. You can also add and attach some files and images right here, which can help you analyze and give a more detailed data on whatever it is that you need for any of your projects. And that's it. Very simple and free. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.